Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. As the title says, welcome to a Valentine's inspired makeup look. So we're doing this makeup look which has a little bit of graphic lines, a little bit of hearts, a little bit of rhinestones. Keep in mind, you can switch the red for pink if that's what you want. The color is not set in stone. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I think last year for Valentine's Day I did a pink makeup look, so today I want to do a red makeup look. I want to keep it simple in the sense of the things that I will use, but with a little bit of technique. But the first thing that I want to do is align my lips, and I have this red lip liner from Primark and it's somewhat broken, but we'll make it work. But this is the shade, and let's just line the lips. Then I want to go ahead and use a liquid lip cream, and this is so creamy, it's delicious, and that is the Isadora liquid lip cream in the shade 16 in red, and it looks like this. And I will be using a brush like so to apply it, or evenly divided later on. So first I'm going to use the wand, and it's so much product, it's so juicy. Don't worry if you get it on your teeth in the beginning. Then I want to take the wand. I don't need to re-dip it because I have a lot of product on it. But I want to make sure that first I use the excess product that is already on my lips to get this out to the outer line and create a sharp, nice look. And that's why having a brush like this is important. It's just a painter's brush from like a European version of the dollar store, or I know that we do have a dollar store in Europe, but it's from another one. But it's a painter's brush set for like $1, and you can do so much with it. To make sure it doesn't keep transferring to your teeth, get a paper towel. When you're working with red or pink, or you want to combine it, like you want to wear pink but then do red makeup like I'm doing, you need to keep a few things in mind, and that is you should always do more of the lighter color and less of the darker or more intense color. So for instance, I'm wearing very pale pink, but I have pale pink hair as well. They match in shade. And then I'm doing red makeup, which you might think that's a little weird. Red and pink doesn't go together. Red and pink go together, but not all shades of red and pink go together. They can easily fight for attention, and you need to make sure that you're not fighting for attention of where to look. Now we need to go into the actual eyeshadow makeup. So the only eyeshadow palette we will be working with is the NYX Ultimate. I know that's bright, and we want to be using this red one right here. And for this makeup look, I will be using a small detail brush. This is a painter's brush from the same set as the brush for the lips. I think it was like 8 to 10 brushes in it. Most of them I use for actual painting, but the smallest ones I decided to give to my makeup collection because they're handy. I might, and I say might, go in with an angled brush that looks like this. And as you can probably tell, there is a difference between the two, and I might not tell you which one I'm using, but I think you can tell the difference. One has gold on it, one is just pure black. And usually I use the angled brush just right here. I usually don't use it here, just to get a nice angle for an eyeliner. The look that we want to go for, and I'm explaining before I do it, that is, I want a line that goes about this right here. You want to make sure it's above the whole hollowness that you have right here, because you need it to be visible from when you're looking straight ahead. So when you're doing this, make sure you look a little more up into your eyebrows. That way you make sure that the line is actually above the crease and not in it. The second line that we will be using is right here, but don't get eager, because we're creating a little half out eyeliner right here, bringing it down to the lower lashes, but we're making little hearts and then continuing the line if I feel like it. Before I start on the hearts, I have been using this brush without any product on it, just as is, to clean up the lines, because this is what I use when I usually dip it in setting powder and then clean up lines that I do around my lips, my eyes. I do that all the time. So this is just without any product, just to make sure the lines are as clean as I can get them. Now it's time for the hearts. The placement of the hearts, you need to think about where the natural line would continue and keep it on that line. To create the heart, you need to start with the side that is closest to the line to make sure it's right. And you want to get product, the same red, and you want to make sure the line goes through the hearts without through the hearts. There's space between. So about here, I would say, is a good placement to drag it down. And then you do the other one from another angle. Like so. I'm just gonna take Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like so, and just gently blend the lower lash line, mostly towards the center of my face, just so that it's no hard line. You would think we're done here, but we're not done here. And the next thing that we will do is rhinestones. So I have these rhinestones that are from Glitter, and I'm using the red ones at the bottom, and these are actually heart-shaped, which I did not plan at all. They just happen to be heart-shaped. Now these are actually rhinestones for nails, but they don't have any glue on them, so I just use eyelash glue and pop it on my face instead. And that is what we're gonna do: eyelash glue and rhinestones. Then I want to move on to the mascara. And before I put mascara on, I want to curl my lashes. Then I'm taking my Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting mascara on the upper lashes. This is not going to satisfy me as is, so what I'm going to do is take a eyeliner pencil, and this is a twist up one, which I prefer for doing this, And I'm just gonna take this eyeliner pencil that is black and put that in the upper waterline in the outer corner. The next thing on the agenda would be highlighter. The highlighter that I want to go with is cool toned, simply because I'm wearing cool toned clothes. So the highlighter that you go for, you can do your everyday highlighter, you can do whatever according to the clothes that you're wearing. For me, it's cool toned. So I'm taking the NYX Strobe of Genius and I'm going in with purple, which is this one right here. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush for the larger parts of my face. And I'm taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush for the eyebrow bone, nose, cupid's bow. Then the last thing that I will do is finish it off with setting spray, and I'm taking the W7, the Dewy fixer that looks like this, and setting my face. Here you have it, a Valentine's inspired makeup look. I think this is simple to do because if you do make a mistake, you can just put the rhinestones on top and it will kind of cover up for a lot of mistakes. But also, if you don't want to do the heart shape with the pencil, you can just get heart-shaped rhinestones. Easier done. I would say this is a simpler makeup look, but it is detailed, which means that if you are not good with details, you will be frustrated with this makeup look. But I think it's simple, it's there, but it has that little pizzazz, a little bit of Valentine's Day, a little bit of whimsy, which is what we want anyway. And so that is everything I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. Everybody likes, comments, shares, watches my videos. Thank you. And if you're new, welcome to our corner of YouTube. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!